We're going on a little adventure. And it's gonna be a Polynesian one.
Hey, look how pretty it is in here.
Cute little picture right here by the elevators. These guys are having so much fun riding the alligator, crocodile, whatever. This one's pretty snazzy over here though. I think one of the most, or the most loveliest of resorts, the Polynesian here. And straight across over there is where John Lennon stayed. Back in the days, I think 1972 is where he signed the papers to end the Beatles. Here we are at the Kona Cafe. We're gonna have our anniversary dinner here. We're sitting over here in the corner of the joint. We're like right here by the front door.
Yeah.
But it's cool. We can creep on everybody coming in from the monorail.
Yeah, we have a better view. We have like the sunshine, the pretty water down there, and the trees and the foliage. They didn't have any official seating inside for us because again it's spring break and it's super busy here, but I think we have a better view with the sunshine, the monorails, all this pretty stuff out here. So
what do you got here, man?
I got the Asian stir fry with chicken. It's got noodles, a soy ginger sauce, peanuts, some fresh vegetables on top.
And then we got over here for the appetizer, but it came at the same time as the meal. We got the pot stickers.
Yeah, we love pot stickers. They're really good.
And then I got some kind of weird, strange Polynesian burger. What's on here, ma'am?
A brioche bun, a poached egg, that pork belly, like the really thick, it's like really thick bacon that's really good. And it was in our deconstructed BLT video from Epcot. That's on there.
Alright. And we can watch people get mad while they're doing the security checkout over here. We got for dessert here.
Oh man, I'm so excited. We got like a chocolate lava cake. So hot chocolate's gonna run out the middle, a nice scoop of ice cream, and I think maybe like a mango puree here.
It's just a big old chocolate surprise. Chocolate's gonna run out of there. It's a chocolate volcano.
Happy dance, happy dance. I'm glad we got to try something different, and that burger that you got, like seriously, the yummiest burger. The Asian noodles were like alright, they weren't as good as I thought they would be. I don't think I'd get that again, but that burger with the poached egg and the pork belly, like that was amazing. And the dessert was really good. We like that chocolate lava cake.
Oh yeah, that was the best. It's beautiful. Fountain and foliage. What a precious place.
We're gonna go get a dough up. We are back at the Polynesian resort because...
Oh, we're just imagine that we are wearing the same clothes. We have to reschedule our
we missed the boats
Polynesian situation.
So we're back from More Fun.
Oh, let's go right out here and have a Dole Whip, even though it's minus 30 degrees outside. The spoon that I am going to eat my Dole Whip with, I need one that big for a big old Dole Whip. She's too busy taking pictures, so I'm gonna eat the whole Dole Whip. Alright, we over here. Look at this great view. Such a grand view of the Grand Floridian, Space Mountain, the Contemporary Resort.
We're on a boat. Look at the cute captain. We did not feel safe in one of the little teeny boats. The guy said we probably were too tight. So we got a big boat. Thanks, babe.
This whole thing just for ourselves.
Yeah. Happy anniversary to us. And it's just the perfect day. You guys, the weather, it's so cool out. Blue. There's blue, sunny skies.
I'm about to hit the turbo speed.
Throttle. Well, wait. Oh, yeah. We're past it. Oh, gosh.
One of these boats?
No, maybe.
You probably took a few cruises out here.
From the waves, from the other boat.
We're about to go over the little road. It's a bridge of water.
Oh yeah, there's
right here.
That's right.
It's the most ingenious Disney plan in all of the resort. That we're about to go over a road.
Hi! Look at that little boat! Just a couple of kids driving that boat. There goes the pontoon boat. You can rent any of these boats and drive them around.
Oh man, she's taking over the captain's chair.
But it won't go.
She doesn't know how to work it.
I just didn't have it down far enough.
Yeah, you put it in the first notch for the no wake. Here we're going over here to the Fort Wilderness.
Over and up on your left.
I think they tuned gas.
Well, there's plenty of space.
Amy just took over and then she already got in trouble. I think that's a stern Russian captain up there.
Look, there's a great blue heron right there.
Ooh, it's a great blue heron.
And a little mud hen on the grass at the edge.
Oh, getting out of the no wake zone. She's stepping on the pedal. Backside of the Contemporary. I didn't even know that they had a dock over there at the Contemporary.
One do dance, this little kid, she never did a bit of loving before. So I made up my mind, I'd step
Man, she's having some kind of horn competition with this boat over here. It's like instead of road rage, we got water rage over here.
Boat rage!
We're gonna get thrown out of the water. We're coming over here to the old attraction, the Discovery Island. I can't believe that they have just all this stuff in here and they haven't done anything with it. It would be like a sweet hotel you could put in there somewhere. Got these weird birds over here, just like a whole flock of them in the water. Put their head down in there and look like a Loch Ness sea creature. Man, this thing's just got a bunch of shoes in here. Like all the retired ship captains throw all their shoes in here. Or maybe it was just a big prank that somebody that rented these boats just threw all their shoes in there one time. Sounds more like it. No, but it's pretty weird. Just a bunch of shoes in there. Another defunct kind of attraction over here. All this bridge work still over here from this water park place. It looks kind of like it's still pretty good. Looks like there's a car back in there. Security car. Taking it easy over here by the Fort Wilderness in the no-wake zone.
The Inhinga, we saw one drying out his wings because when they spread out their wings, they kind of look like piano keys, so that's why they're called the piano bird. We saw a whole flock of cormorants that have the curved beak, and I've never seen like a whole flock of them like that in the water, but they fish together, so they all swim down and catch fish and eat. And we saw a great blue heron, tri-colored heron.
We heard some sirens over here a couple minutes ago, and then there was two like security boats that were raced off.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
We just found where the water pageant floats are. Over here across from the Grand Floridian. You can see them all in there just parked along the side. How cute. There goes the monorail behind us. Hey, monorail.
Very many people on it.
There she goes to the Magic Kingdom. Going by the Grand Floridian. Have a encore. It's so pretty. The end of the boat ride. Thanks for riding along with us. Look, there's the wedding chapel. You can have a magical wedding right there.